Welcome to the Legend Returns. The 2025 Jaguar XK120 Roadster is a modern tribute to an icon, blending timeless elegance with cutting-edge performance. Get ready to experience raw power, refined luxury, and pure driving pleasure. Let's dive in. Exterior. The XK120 Roadster is a masterpiece in motion. Its long, sweeping hood, aerodynamic curves, and signature oval grille pay homage to the 1950s classic while incorporating modern LED lighting and lightweight carbon fiber accents. The sculpted body sits on 20-inch forged alloy wheels, enhancing both aesthetics and performance. And with exclusive color options like British Racing Green and Midnight Silver, this Roadster commands attention wherever it goes. Performance. Under the hood, Jaguar has unleashed a beast. A 5.0-liter supercharged V8 pushing out 575 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. This Roadster rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds, with a top speed of 190 miles per hour. The 8-speed automatic transmission delivers seamless shifts, while rear-wheel drive keeps the thrill alive. And with adaptive suspension and an active exhaust system, every drive is an exhilarating symphony of power and precision. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by handcrafted luxury. The cabin is a blend of premium leather, aluminum accents, and digital innovation. The driver-focused cockpit features a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster and a high-resolution 11.4-inch infotainment screen with Jaguar's latest PIVI Pro system. Heated and ventilated performance seats offer ultimate comfort, while the leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters puts control at your fingertips. And with a top-down driving experience, the open road feels more thrilling than ever. Safety features. Performance meets protection with state-of-the-art safety features. The XK120 Roadster comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. Jaguar's AI-driven collision avoidance system ensures extra peace of mind, while dynamic stability control keeps you planted even at high speeds. Whether cruising or pushing the limits, this Roadster has your back. Pricing. The 2025 Jaguar XK120 Roadster starts at around $120,000, with higher trims and customization options pushing the price beyond $150,000. Is it worth it? For those who crave an elite driving experience, absolutely. Reservations are open now, so if you want one, act fast. The rebirth of an icon. The 2025 Jaguar XK120 Roadster is a perfect blend of heritage and innovation. What do you think? Would you take this beast for a spin? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more amazing automotive content. Until next time, drive safe and stay legendary.